Following payroll management, we have the leave module. This comprehensive module contains 9 submodules. First is leave types. Here, we can see all the different types of leaves available in the company, such as sick leave, paid leave, casual leave, and more. If you need to add a new category of leave, you can easily do so by clicking the Add Leave Type button in the top right corner and filling in the required data. Next is leave requests. This section displays details about all leave applications, including the type of leave requested and the number of days needed. You can also log a leave request by clicking the Create Leave Request button in the top right corner and entering the necessary information. Third is time leave requests. This feature is used when an employee needs a short leave during working hours, for instance, a 2-hour break for urgent work. In this section, you can view the existing list of short-term leave requests or create a new one by clicking the Create Time Leave Request button at the top and filling in the details. Fourth is leave approvals. Here, you can view the entire leave approval list along with the specific leave details. You can also manually add a leave approval by utilizing the button at the top. Fifth is Comp Off credits. If an employee works on a holiday due to urgent company needs, they earn compensatory off credits, which they can use to take a day off later. However, these credits come with an expiry date. In this submodule, you can view all comp off credits along with details like employee name, branch, earned date, and other information visible on the screen. Clicking the Add Manual Credit button in the top right corner will redirect you to the 6th submodule, Add Comp Off Credit. From here, you can manually allocate comp off credits to any employee by simply filling in the necessary fields. 7th is Comp Off History. This section tracks the complete history of compensatory offs, showing which employees have utilized their credits, how many have been cancelled, and how many have expired, as seen on the screen. 8th is Comp Off Settings. Here, you can adjust the compensatory off configurations based on company policy, such as changing the credit expiry days or the minimum hours an employee must work to qualify for a comp off. Finally, the 9th submodule is Comp Off Reports. This section provides a complete summary of employee comp offs, detailing how many credits are currently available, used, or cancelled for individual team members. After the leave module, we have the team meeting module. In this section, you can view a full list of the company's scheduled meetings, including the meeting title, date, and time. If you want to set up a new session, you can easily create a team meeting by clicking the Create Team Meeting button at the top and entering the relevant details.